You hear me?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna buy here.
Oh, you're gonna buy?
Yeah.
Yeah, 30-man close bullish.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy with sell stop as well.
He's a clean. Oh, 1 hour still bearish. Yeah, I'm gonna wait probably. It's clean though. Hold on. What's the thing?
Small lot for the buy.
There you go. Sent it out. That's a clean. They just hopped on the chart since the Asian says, yo fam, New York traded it, boom, got off. Didn't trade it since. Asian hopped on for 20 minutes, boom, traded, hopped off. Like,
Yeah.
this is probably the most minimum week I've you know, with the most process.
Yeah.
And user had to tap the target. Gold made new highs yesterday, guys. Remember? Gold made new highs. Boom. Let's make new charts here. Let's see what happens. Cool. So GJ, daily kind of closes bullish. This is a daily target up here, around these levels. 4 hours per that resistance right there. The target. Be safe probably around per that target. 1 hour. Yeah, 4 hour made a resistance here. I'll be safe still. If we do retest high, I should retest that area. Port was made during this level. Port was made there. 30-minute resistance is around this level. Cool. This is your range, kinda. I think yeah. I think once price breaks out that level, we should go up. I mean, we should go down if price breaks is low. Looks like it's gonna go up here though. Looks like it's gonna retest the high. It should. Broke the high in that last candle. But sells the much more clean. But yeah, these buys are clean as well. Should go up to retest this high. It's like a 22 pip mover. This is clean.
Clean buy, no?
You're in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll watch play out. Fine. I got late entry anyways, so whatever.
My stops are below current candle. I don't not really risking anything. It's a 0.20, so.
Yeah. Not bad. That's a high potential playing out here. Probably should expect something like this probably.
Wait, are you live streaming right now?
Yeah, we're on live.
Okay.
Probably something like this. What's clean? Yeah, I've seen this too many times. It's not play out. You know, but I'm not gonna enter it. How it's gonna look, guys. Exactly how it's gonna look. No doubt in my mind. Probably gonna wait for sells though. Price push low. This low. If it does, then we're gonna go down. Alright, but looking bullish. Maybe I'll wait for a 1 hour candle to enter buys. If I enter now, oh boy, if I enter now, stops are 20 pips. It's a negative R. Can't enter, sorry. Can't enter this. I'll watch it play out. Alright, US30, we're gonna go today. Or gold actually, let's do gold. So gold made new highs just like we said in the stream. Oh man, just today's making a new high, newer highs. Should have fit out wick and eventually continue up here. I don't know where it wants to go probably. Let's see. Probably around these levels. 1770. Above that level should be good for buys.
If this 15-minute close is bearish, then I'm gonna just close my position and then maybe have buy stops.
Yeah, that makes sense as well. Yeah, if I'm gonna have sell stops here on GJ.
You got stopped out.
Yeah, that tight stop.
Yeah. Could still play out, but I don't know. I lost $10.
Yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops here in GJ. If the price breaks this low, it's gonna go down. $238. Yeah. Probably down to this target on if you do come down, should come down on this target here. Yeah, should be clean. Should be clean. That's the target. Oh. What up, viewers? Good morning, good morning. I'm gonna have a sell stop here in GJ. Start off my day.
Is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Perfect. Fifteen's gonna close. Oh, 15's gonna close in a minute here. I didn't see that. Yeah. Come on. What does this kind of want to do here? Doji? 15-minute broke the lows. Damn. 30-minute didn't break the lows. I didn't see the 15 bottom. 15 actually broke the low here. The 1 hour is still going though.
I think if the 15 even closes weak bullish, like it would be good for a buy.
Yeah, I might just wait for the 1
Yeah,
hour kind of thing.
take it.
We saw sell stops or wait for the 1 hour, you know? One of those ones.
Yeah.
I think I might close bearish here. Come on, close bearish. There it is. Boom, close bearish, 15 close bearish. Okay, cool. Yeah, buys above that candle. Probably not gonna, I'm probably just have a sell stop. That's my little bias for today.
Just because it's the last 15 minutes of the hourly. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think I would have buy subs.
We got news today? Nah, we got none. Not much. Yeah, if you do break, man, it's gonna be like a nice 30 pip mover. Beautiful.
Yeah. I feel like it's clean either way.
Mm-hmm. What's gold doing? Buying the move, cool. Yeah, I think buys above this level should be good for gold. Above there, you can come up to this level. 1770. 1770. US 30. How are you looking? Oh, we're going bullish today. Oof. Man, you're still looking at a gulag move right now. This is a gulag move right here. 30-minute US 30 right here. This is a gulag move. We gotta make some support here if we wanna go up. Can't buy right now. Not enough support on the right side. Need support here. Go up like this. See? Support, boom, pushed up. Support, boom, push up. So you can't just go up like this. Kinda 50-50. You know, some days you might wait like a couple hours to get a move in, but like, man, days like today, there's gonna be a lot of opportunities. Like yesterday we had like 2.5 hours for opportunity, right? But today, man, there's a lot of opportunities there. A lot of shit. So, just gotta do what you do every day, and you gotta show up every day at the same time. And you catch the same stuff every day. Where's Jimmy at? Guy asleep? You guys know what happened when
Was he
Jimmy.
on yesterday?
You guys know, yeah, he was. But you guys know what happens when Jimmy doesn't wake up for New York. You already know the vibes. They traded London.
He lost in the gulag.
What are streamers? If you guys are enjoying the like, leave a like on the stream. I mean, if you guys are enjoying the stream, leave a like on the stream. I'm tripping. Leave a like on the stream. You know, we haven't entered anything yet, but we will catch them today. We will catch them today. So the amount of likes we get is the amount of pips you guys are gonna get. That's how it's gonna work from now on, right?
To the T.
Mhm.
If we get 95 likes, it's 95 pips. What are you gonna do if his candle closes bullish like this?
Perhaps stops as well.
Just
One
stop
hour is still gonna be bullish, yeah. So stops is still valid for me. It's not like I'm market Xing, right? Or sells. But like probably gonna look for buys if the 1 hour closes bullish here. Yeah, if the 1 hour closes bullish, I'm gonna look for buys. Ooh. Break the 15 and look for buys as well. Stops gonna be 1 hour low, right? Stops are gonna have to be down there. Let's see what happens here.
If I stick to like the proper stops, I would have still been in the trade. But
Yeah.
I'm not mad though. Like,
I don't know why you don't like the proper stops. I just feel more comfortable, you know what I mean?
it
It's a 1 hour
depends, like,
low.
if the stops are small, then I'll just keep it like that. But if you're not, then I don't know.
Enter a buy. Enter a buy here, yeah.
You're gonna buy?
Yes. Just got in a buy. Right here. Target levels up here. Cool. Ooh, in profit.
Yeah, I took it too.
457 was my entry. Yeah. Stop loss is down here. Yeah, I'm in right now. Cool. 1 hour should go up. If it wants to stay bullish here, should be good. Stops are 133. Cause I'm anticipating like that's the 1 hour low if price wants to go up, right? So that's why my stop loss is where it is, and that's why my TP is where it is. Or it's why I enter now. Because if I were to enter, I'm gonna enter anyways once the 1 hour is gonna close. So since we're breaking the 15 minutes right now, the 15-minute highs right now, I might as well just enter now. Anticipating that's the 1 hour low anyways, right? So because that's gonna be my stop loss if I enter a buy later on anyway. So might as well enter now. 5 minutes before the count closes. However, if it closes bearish, I might exit the trade. I doubt it. Looking pretty bullish here. Perfect. Looking good. I think man, if GJ breaks this high today up here, we're gonna fly this high right here. If you break the high, we should be able to fly past these highs, and like there shouldn't be any, we shouldn't struggle here at all, right? I'm seeing for GJ. This is a resistance area, sure, but I think once we break this high right here, we should just go flying. There shouldn't be a problem at all here to the left.
Wait, when you enter the buy, were you anticipating like it would run up right away, or were you just trying to get like an early entry into the?
I got an early entry to the 1 hour candle. But yeah, both. Pretty much both. So I was kind of trying like,
Yeah,
because
I was thinking it was just gonna. Yeah.
I mean, cause like if you do, cause they broke the 50-minute high, right? So I'm okay. I might as well just enter now. I'm waiting for the 1 hour to close here. I'm probably gonna pop in their entry, but 1 hour close is strong as well. I popped a 5 here, 5.0 lot. So if the 1 hour close is stronger, I'm gonna pop up another 3.0 lot.
If it closes weak, that would be better for the sell stops. But
Yeah, if it closes weak, I'm probably gonna like bearish. I'm probably gonna exit the trade. So if it closes like maybe negative 12 pips, I'm probably gonna exit the trade. And stuff has to be so valid. So what happens there? Because if it closes stronger either way, this is my stop loss for those buys anyways. Much more opportunities today than yesterday though. Not gonna lie. Today's probably gonna be a better day than yesterday. Regards to how the market's gonna move. I think the 1 hour count's on close of like rare our entry. Mark always does it to me. I enter before the count closes, and then it will close right where my entry is. So it's like I should just wait for that 1 hour to close, you know? Nothing really happened.
yeah.
Coincidence, but like it happens to me a lot. Usually is pushing up today though. Should go up easily. No ease. Wouldn't be surprised if this target gets tapped today. We got news for USD though? Nah. One minute here. One minute. Oh, my monitor's coming nice. To have a new gaming monitor.
Yo, sell me your old one.
Yeah, I have both. One's for when I get my PC, I'm gonna have like 2 monitors. In the early parts.
I started playing Park. I started playing Park.
Yeah.
Man's already spent 20 bones on my okay.
Too late for that, bro.
No, it's hella late. But it's still like 3 months if you think about it.
Yeah, so my stealth cells are still in, guys. If you guys are wondering, I'm in a buy, but my stealth cells are still active here. I didn't delete them yet because I know that if price does break this low, it's not continuing going further down here. Let's see what happens here. If it closes like this, Doji and probably gonna exit the trade. Yeah, so I'm gonna get out the trade here, guys. I'm gonna close this trade with 10 pip stops. And I'm gonna have a self stop in. First loss of, second loss of June, damn. Trade, second loss of June in the stream. Yeah, so I got all the sells here, I mean the buys here. And remember to keep my sell stops active.
Please make a wick.
I actually closed that trade with 9 pips stop loss, but I mean 9 pips loss, not even bad, but pretty happy the way I managed to trade there. I ain't gonna lie.
No, yeah, I got out of that as soon as it broke the current candle up, the 15-minute.
Yeah, my sell stop is still active here, oh, but get activated soon.
Yeah.
Ooh. Coming close. Stops is gonna be here, this candle though. It's gonna be tighter stops as well. Probably my last trade for a day.
If it's an L, last trade for the day, for sure.
Definitely. I'm
GJ.
close. I'm
No
close.
top wick. Did it get activated? For you?
Close.
Oh shit, mine
Close.
got activated.
Mine literally like,
It broke the low.
mine like super close, like literally like half a millimeter. Yeah, stops only 12 pips here though.
I feel like it's so risky to have your stops like, bruh.
I made a little lower, like a little lower than the actual candle. Come on, GJ, break the lows here.
Like, yeah, if it broke the low, then it shouldn't go back up to break
Yeah.
its current high.
So the reason you guys probably see me close the sell earlier was the buy earlier was because this candle right here closed bearish, the 15, and then the 30-minute 1 hour actually closed doji. So technically, didn't close the way I wanted to. 30-minute also closed bearish as well. So we're actually able to reduce our loss by 10 pips here because we closed with negative 10 pips instead of leaving it to our stop loss for negative 20 pips. We would have hit our stop loss already. We'll see how we manage that trade there. The T. Now we're about to be in sells once price breaks below that area. Now, second loss of June.
Fuck man, I don't think I should have entered on the sell side.
Did she activate it?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I broke the low, yeah, I got activated, yeah.
It should make a push. Anyway. D. Let's
Like on the
activate.
hourly candle, like, yeah, that's so risky.
Damn, that was the second loss of June. Hourly, not hot wick, but yeah, I don't know. 4 hour broke the low as well. Should push. Our first loss of June, I think we took a. Let's see. It was last week on the stream, I think. Got a 12 pip loss or something, or a 6 pip loss, I think. I think it's a 6 pip loss on the stream. And then, you know, today we took a 10 to start our second loss of June. Not bad for the month of June, though. 2 losses so far. Not bad. But change this color up. GG came so close, man. Holy shit.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It should still go down here though. Should make a push. Not hit my I'll stop anyways. Broke the low once. I think he broke the lows in trading view. You guys, would have had a 20 pip loss here. I reduced it because we closed earlier. That's why you got to work on, guys. You got to manage your trade, close your losses short, and keep your winners big. That's what's gonna keep you in the game. See, now we have a potential 30 pip move here. We'll cover, 33% of that trade. Below resistance to the left, should go down. Yep. $32,901. So if you guys are wondering, my stop loss for this trade, if it gets activated here, it's gonna be probably hot candle high for 12 pips, and TP is gonna be about 32 pips, 33 pips. Yeah, I think once it taps the low second timer, because like technically they made a low retracement on like the 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever it is, and now it's gonna continue to come back down. So technically, once it comes back down to this low again, it's probably gonna continue back bearish, like a big push down. Alright, because we came out like a little, what happens there? Should get a push down once he taps his low again. So what's the next giveaway again? Probably like next month or something. See what happens. Oh, soon. Come on, GJ. You're like 1 pip away, not even. Half a pip away. There it goes.
Got activated?
Yeah, this time it did. Brad's got a little bigger, I guess.
Yeah, this was supposed to go bigger.
Cool. I'm in the sell. This is my target. This level. My stop loss, and we should continue to come down here on GJ. I don't know why this kind of has no top wick though, but I'm not phased by it. I think I'd rather have a no top wick than have no bottom wick to come down this kind. You know what I mean? If the previous kind had no bottom wick, I'll be more scared than this top wick. This top wick is whatever. Like it's whatever. It's different. No wick candle. Cool. I'm in sells here, guys.
Hey, let's go.
There it goes. See, remember I said earlier, the first time it came down, it made retracement on like the 1 minute whatever time frame, and then a couple minutes later, it retested that low again. So when it retests that low again, it's gonna make a push down because it's breaking the lows now. See, boom.
Oh,
GJ,
10 pips already?
10 pips of profit. I'm trying to close 50% of my positions here and leave it running to the CP.
Wow, that was quick.
Very quick. Secure 10 pips here. Just made what I lost back. 12 pips in profit here. Damn. Keep pushing. 12 pips in profit here. Ooh wee.
Stops at entry.
Stops at entry for me as well. Boom.
Nice, nice.
I closed 50%, securing 10 pips there. Like I always do. And nothing's ever gonna change that. I don't care what anyone says. I will always secure 10 pips. I don't care if it's 10 pips. I will always secure 10 pips. 10 pips. If you can make this trade 1,000 times, how many pips is that? Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. You know, I should never took the buys though. Kinda choppy there. And chopped. It's all good though. Now we have a runner to TP. Perfect. You guys, if the first trade I kept my original stop loss, we would have hit a negative 20 pip stop loss right there, and then this trade would have, you know, only made up for half of that. But since the first trade we reduced our losses short, this trade now is break even. We just broke even on this trade. So now this runner has a potential chance of continuing further down here for a potential like 26, 25 pip move here. Boom. If you guys took the call, leave a like on the stream. If you guys enjoyed that breakdown, leave a like on the stream. We currently have a runner here, risk free.
Yeah, hopefully this runner just makes our day.
Yeah. Cool. That wasn't my day's probably done anyways. Yeah, the soccer probably not gonna be done, but yeah, let's see what happens here. I had no top wick as well, so it might be a little sus now.
Close to entry.
No drawdown trade. Yeah, if it goes to entry, I don't care. It's whatever.
Yeah.
Give him at 10 pips. It's a runner, right? Yes, sir. If you took that, leave a like. No drawdown trade with Don once again. No drawdown trade. At all. Not one single drawdown here. Just flew. If you guys look left, this is a clear traffic mover on GJ right here. So this target. So that's why I move my TPs around these levels. Near entry here. Safe to jump at. People gotta understand, man. Like, it's not that safe to jump in. It's like this is a whole new trade idea now. If you're looking for a sell now, this is a whole different trade idea to come down. Like, look for it. This is like a completely new, whole new trade idea. It's not the same trade idea that I had earlier. If you look for a second entry here, right? Like, I don't know. It could play out, sure, if you enter now again, but like it's gonna be a whole trade idea. Here for me, I'm probably gonna have to wait for like the 15 to close or something bearish, below this range to come down, right? Stop's gonna have to be above this candle high. Like it's gonna be a whole different trade idea for me if I were to enter now. A whole new mindset. Like sure, this is still a target, but like the way you enter here is gonna be a little different, because then you gotta deal with like a pullback. No, it's not that you're not gonna get greedy. That's not the point here. The point here is like this trade alone is gonna be a whole new trade. This sell stop I had earlier was a sell stop. Remember that, below the 1 hour bullish candle, right? Now if you enter now, it's gonna have to be a market execution, and your stop's gonna have to be up here. TP's gonna be down here, but like you might have some drawdown here because now you have no top wick on this candle, so it's gonna be a little bit more risky. This sell stop wasn't as risky because it's a sell stop below the candle breaking the lows. and this candle had no top wick, so that's fine. But if you enter now, you're gonna worry about this candle having no top wick, and price might struggle to go down a little bit. Like sure, it's probably gonna have a chance of playing out, but it's gonna be a whole different trade idea here. It has nothing to do with being greedy. It's just might be a little more risky here. Yeah, I'm still in trade. I'm like 1 pip in profit on my runner. And if GG goes down, man. TP is at this support, at this 4-hour support here, because you have some like strong support here. So I kept my TP right there. Oh my, yeah, I'm in target level for today. But I'm telling you, I'm technically bullish for today, but the sell came, so I had to take it. Yeah, I think once gold breaks this high, we're gonna go flying. Once we break above 1759.270, we should be able to go flying here. I think spreads are back too. They've been back, right? 3 pips.
5
Yeah.
pips.
Yeah, they're back. Fuck, not actually back.
No, spreads aren't back.
They were back like last week.
7 pips.
Yeah, they're definitely not back.
Just so random. Survive.
I don't think I'm gonna survive here.
Yeah.
I think I might get stopped at entry here.
Yeah, looking like it. Yeah, you just got stopped.
Cause like the 15's gonna make a top wick, right? So this is the top wick it's making. Yep. Stop the entry here. Boom. Trade 1 took a loss, you know. I mean, took a buy, took a loss, 10 pips. Car lost a short. Trade 2, we had a runner. Runner got stopped the entry, secured 10 pips. So let's see what else the market gives us today. So far, that's all that's been happening. But much more opportunities today. Much more. This candle's probably gonna come back and continue to come down here, but I'm not gonna enter it just yet. I'm probably gonna wait for a 30 minute or something. Close. I want this top wick here on this candle though.
Yeah, I might enter one more trade. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see.
Do you trade US30? Yeah, I used to. Sometimes I still do, but right now I don't. As of right now, today I'm not interested in US30 right now. But it should continue out bullish. I think the 4-hour, yeah, we should be able to push up here. Like this is my target for US30 daily, right? But the way it's looking on the 4-hour, I don't know if it's gonna tap this resistance up here. I think it's gonna only tap like probably around these levels right here. This level. Like this is a safe TP. 26397. If you were in buys, right? You might have some trouble after this, but if you do break above this resistance, we can probably say we're gonna push up to this daily resistance up here at 26942. Yeah, man, I don't know what this was, man. This is news, right? But man, this would have Holy shit. This is the rudest candle ever. Saw stuff the 15-minute stay bearish. Yeah, just you might have some trouble coming down because you have a smart ranger. I think if the 1 hour's gonna close bearish, you can have an entry. This would be clean. The 1 hour has a candle like this. If only it comes up though. I want it to come up a little bit. 1 hour candle, so we can have a top wick, something like this. Hold on, like this. This would be cool if you have something like this on GJ. Boom, and then it kind of closes like this. I'm gonna enter a sell, right? If it closes like this, come down. But until then, just don't trade. Let's see what happens in the next 9 minutes here. Yeah, I know what news it was. Like I know what happened. I read all my stuff, but that was a crazy move. This is a nice sell though. This GJ right here. This candle closed bearish here on GJ. 30-minute closed bearish. Could enter around this candle. TP around this level. Could have been a nice like 20 pip move here, from here to here. And you could have left the runner. If you had a runner, you could have left it down to this support here, and boom, came all the way down. I literally, last time during Asian, I literally hopped on for like 10 minutes, looked at a chart, analyzed it, gave a signal out while I was playing Warzone, took a sell for 10 pips, boom, got out. And that was the day. Or took a buy actually. 10 pips, got in and got, no, 20 pips, sorry, 20 pips, got in and got out. Pretty simple day. But the New York session yesterday was so boring. The New York session had no opportunities. So today, I can say that it has a lot more volume and a lot more opportunities. By the way it's forming, everything's forming. So you should get a lot more entries today. Just don't overtrade though. Does there more news come on at 2? I don't know, man. There's no news here. This wick right here, but how come you were in buys though? That's the question. If you were in the live streams every morning, you would know that this is not a buy area at all. Buy stops above this area, sure, but here, this is no buys. No. This candle closed bearish. If anything, I would have sold it here at this resistance. Candle closed bearish at resistance. It could have been a sell coming down, but buys? No, man. Not there. Even if you were in buys, I would have closed on positions once the candle closed bearish here. Man, let's get to 600 likes. I mean 600 subscribers this week. I think I can tap that. 600 subscribers. We're at 553. We're at like 500 last week. So maybe we can tap that today. Well, not today, but maybe this week, next week. Then eventually 1,000 subscribers, you know the vibes. Oh, damn. Damn, Raja took 2 trades and took 2 losses. Morning. Well, if you didn't secure profits, see, now you feel like an idiot, man. That's why no matter what happens, No matter what, for me, if I see a potential, you know, even if I see like a 5,000 pip move coming, like even if I know there's gonna be a 5,000 pip move, even if like the market literally calls my phone and says we're pushing down that 1,000 pips, I will still secure 10 pips. I don't care what happens. I don't care what happens. I'm still gonna secure 10 pips, you know. But man, 3,000 points. That's the 300 pips right there. That's tough, man. That's 300 pips, man. I don't know. That's definitely securing for me. Something close half, stops the entry or something, man. No way you should have lost in that trade at all. No way I could have lost in that trade if I were in your position though. I would have probably secured or something, but you know, guys, 10 pips. I mean, I seem a lot to you guys, but like if you can catch the same move for 10 pips 1,000 times, bro. See how it adds up? Like last week on the streams, all we did was catch 10 pips on every trade, you know, and have a runner. Man, we caught 270 pips for that week. 270 pips. That's more than some of these swing groups. Like some of these groups that swing trade, we caught more pips in those groups, just catching 10 pips and leaving a runner. So it adds up. Don't think it doesn't add up. It adds up, man. Man, if we break the 30-minute high, I'm gonna look for buys.
Yeah, so I was thinking.
Like, if my liquidity would go up like this yesterday, who knows?
Is it faking out on the 15?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looking at it.
If the 15 breaks the high, you have a potential buys here to go up. For the Ranger, this would be a clean buy. Like this is something that I'll you know, super cleaner.
That's that no top week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
27 pip stop though. Oof. But like if this is a fake out down to go up, then we have a chance of 85% chance of filling the range, and we have a 75% chance of breaking the range to go up bullish up to here. So you can have a runner all the way up to 133, 933 potentially. Should be golden. Should be golden. It's a big stop loss though. Because now it's coming back into range. You guys see? Drummer J, if you enter a sell earlier, look, you would have been drawn on right now. A whole different trade there, man. Damn, so many opportunities today, man. So many opportunities today. Yeah, like some people close 80. I close like 65%. I say close 50 just for your streams, just to put a number out there, but you can close whatever you want. Yeah, this is a solid fake out here. Solid, solid. Come on, guys, where are likes at? Like of the stream, guys. Takes one button. It's a free like. No, all you gotta do is scroll down. Tap, I'm tripping today. Tap the like button. That's it. So tell me if there's more than that. We have like 650, but like people are, one, they aren't awake. Two, half of them, well, not half of them, say a bunch of them don't even trade no more. They're inactive on Telegram. Some of them like disable their Telegram. Some of them, I don't know, but it's free on YouTube. Like this is just for the public anyways, not just for VIP. Sub count looking bullish. Yeah, sub count is bullish, man. Like sub count is going up recently. We're at 550 already. Last week we were at like 490. You know, like we're going up. I think we can hit 1,000 soon. 1,000 subs, man. At that point, we're gonna have 100 on the calls, 100 people live on the calls, and then from there, man, it's just gonna take off. Because if you're providing free content, man, you can't go anywhere but up, man. On the subs and the viewers. 15 closed bullish here. This is so choppy. Man, see what happens here.
Yeah.
Probably not gonna enter yet.
30 minutes still has a fat wick to fill. So
Yeah, probably not gonna enter.
let's see.
We're gonna wait for a 30 minute to break the highs of anything. Hey, I'd like to clarify on something. On 15, I see that support was broken multiple times. I see which other confirmations did you consider to take out to so pretty much the 1 hour was this 1 hour candle right here, closed bearish. So technically price should respect this high if it wants to go down, and then the next candle closed bullish, but it closed bullish as a doji, so meaning that like this candle kind of like invalidates it. You can just cover it up because it didn't do much. It opened and closed where it was, but since it was still a bullish candle and it broke the lows, you can see that maybe this is the high of this candle. If price wants to drive down to that support down there, right down to this support, which it did. But yeah, other than that, it was just once this kind of broke the lows here. I think on the 15 minute we had, on 30 minute we had this kind of closed bearish right here, closed bearish at top of resistance. So you can now, like, this is kind of like a fake out as well, because you had this resistance here. This kind of opened up, closed up above the range, and then this candle closed back in the range. So we have, that's where the sells was, this candle coming down to this support, and boom. Also on the 15 minute we had some bearish candles as well. 15 minute has some back-to-back bearish candle closes. We had this candle that closed bearish, and then this one, and this one, and then this one. This one actually broke the highs before it came down, so this part of the liquidity wick up to go down. So yeah, sells were pretty confirmed here for me. But yeah, that was my GJ and breakdown. Also, the 4 hour is bearish as well, and the 4 hour broke the lows as well, so came down. Stops are huge though for the buy, bro. Unless you have a 8 pip stop at the 30 minute low. The stops are still huge. I'm still in a sell at this point. I don't give a fuck what you want to do. That's not the mentality you have, man. That's definitely not. That's like saying fuck the stop loss. I'm just gonna delete my stop loss and let it run. Like that's not. That's like a roll to blowing your account in the long run or in the short run. You know, that's definitely a roll to blowing your account. If GG drops if GG drops 1,000 pips now, you're probably gonna be like, okay, I made profit of it. It's probably gonna be okay to do this every time. The next time that happens, man, if it doesn't play out, your account's gonna be gone and you're gonna feel like shit after, man. So you gotta trade for a long term and not just for that one trade. I'm telling you right now, man. Whatever you do now is not gonna matter later in the future with a bigger account at all. But whatever you do now is gonna add up to that bigger account in the future. So you gotta think of it like that.
I was thinking about having buy stops above the previous 15 high.
Right here?
Minutes 30. Yeah. Cause if we want to like continue down, then we shouldn't be breaking highs at resistance.
Yeah.
Like one thing I noticed, whenever it breaks a high at resistance, it continues, or whenever it breaks a low at support, it continues.
GG broke the highs there.
Yeah.
On 30 minute. You in?
No, I'm not in. Are you in?
Stops are quite big. But yes, I'm
Are
in.
you in?
Yeah, I'm in. Got it right here.
Yeah, should be good.
Stops are here. He is around these levels. Quite big, eh? Probably gonna move my stops down over here though. I'm not gonna lie. This is I'm moving my stops to the 30 minute low here. Cause we're breaking the highs, right? So like this is the current candle, so price shouldn't break that low for us. Price wants to go drive up here. Probably my last trade for a day though.
Do you see what I'm saying though for the 15? Like either just market X or enter when it breaks the high.
This candle?
That would have been a nice entry.
This candle? Down here?
Yeah, that candle. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because you have a bigger range. You have like this range, and then you have this range, and then you have this range. But this is just like from here to, yeah, you have this like, this, like, I guess you can say like, move stop loss to entry move. Because you know price is going to drive up to that target. So you can use move stops to entry at that point.
Like once it would break the 30-minute high, it would just move stops to entry.
Yeah, because your entry is now like that current candle opening. So price shouldn't flip it wants to go bullish. Yeah, like this is just like a secure, like for sure it can be a risk-free trade.
Yeah. And whatever happens, happens.
Bro, every trade I've been doing, as soon as I get it, it goes the next way, and when I get out, it reverses. What the fuck? Man, I don't know. Market's gonna do whatever it wants to do, man. It's up to you to figure out what it wants to do. The market's gonna just keep rolling the ball, man. It's gonna keep taking people's money.
Does it make sense? GJ should be going down. Why doesn't it make sense?
Yeah.
We close the hourly close bullish out of support.
It just doesn't make sense because you want to go down, right? But you still gotta manage the trade. That's why you guys see me say, this is the one thing you guys hear me say all the time. I do the same thing every day. Every time. I never switch up on my plan at all. Because GJ can do whatever it wants to do, but as long as I stick to my plan, I will maximize my profits. So my plan, close 10 pips, you know, manage my trade, close my trades early, manage my losses, you know. Boom, been driving up here on GJ. 5 pips in profit.
I think I'm gonna start just like, damn, yeah, nice move.
TP is at 133. TP's gonna be around this level actually. This level should be good for GJ. 26 pip target. What do you mean nice move? The move hasn't even done anything yet. It's just in profit here. And it's not even about like trusting your analysis, you know, like if you literally see your trade going the opposite way and you literally see you breaking lows or breaking certain highs, why are you still in the trade? You know what I mean? Like if you see, you know, for example, you have a lower low and you're in a buy. If price breaks that lower low, why are you still in the buy? Or if a candle closes bearish, why are you still in the buy? Like you gotta think of every single candle as if, what would you do in this situation? Would you buy in this candle? Would you sell in this candle? If you were buying this candle, then get out the sells. If you're selling that candle, get out the buys. This is how it works. You gotta preserve your capital at all times. Put yourself in the best positions.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to like get anywhere if you're just getting mad at like every trade.
Yeah, it's not gonna work out.
For sure, natural, like, but it's just like you just have to like look at it logically and look at like what you could have done to reduce your losses and what you could have done to maximize your wins.
Yeah, so guys, I'm in this buy right now. I got in as I mentioned this being a fake out. So we have an 85% chance of filling the range here, and we have a 75% chance of breaking resistance to go up bullish if this is a fake out. And this always happens to me. I mean, this always happens to the markets, not to me. But something that I've probably talked about since the live stream started. This is the number 1 move in my playbook probably, or number 2. Something that I always take an entry on. I always. Prosperous Solutions still selling right now. I think he was selling. I don't think he was buying. He got out though, I think. Ooh, damn, I'm pushing her. 4% profit.
I think I just need to start executing on like all the trades that I think will play out, and then just like take the losses and then just learn from it.
Yeah. Yeah. Gotta trust your shit.
It's like right now there's only like certain trades that I enter off of, but like there's still trades that I think will play out that I just don't enter off of. Shit, ideally, the hourly would close bearish below the range.
My stop start entry on this trade though.
Yeah.
Because like as this candle right here, we got in
The top the resistance.
yeah, we got in, we tapped this amount of resistance here. So and also the fact that this candle, we got in at the bottom. I mean the bottom of the opening. So technically this candle, if it flips bearish, we don't know how far down it's gonna drive, right? So that's the entry for me.
So today's more choppy than yesterday.
Yeah, I'm out of the trade, guys. Yeah, it's a little more choppy. Well, not actually. No, it's not. Like I feel like the moves haven't happened. Like, the big move pushes haven't actually happened yet. But yeah, the way it's been moving for the past couple of minutes here have been kind of choppy.
London session looks super clean, but
Yeah, London was pretty nice. Buys.
like, even at like one last night, we could have had nice ass entries. 1 midnight.
I got out here, guys, at entry on JJ. I explained why already. Not because I felt like it, but because this is my rule of thumb. Like, this is something that I always do anyways, right?
Gold's about to break that high.
Drummer, you right, bro? Yeah, it's about to break the high. Is there another time in the day you like to trade? The Asian session, probably sometimes. Maybe like an hour during that session. Let's see if we can get another opportunity in the markets today. We have a lot of time left, so.
I think the most ideal thing is if this candle goes a bearish, weak bearish, or
Gold?
weak bearish or strong. No, GJ.
Oh.
Because then if it goes like weak bearish, you have a buy stop. If it goes like stronger bearish, I would probably take a sell.
Reggie took 2 losses today.
Damn. I swear he doesn't post his trades anymore.
For the past 3 days, because he hasn't had anything. He's probably like on Friday he didn't enter a trade. Yesterday he entered like no trades as well. Like he couldn't post shit. An Asian, I don't think he's been trading, or I don't know, man. I don't know.
It's climbing.
It's been slow though.
That's why everybody's coming to control FX.
For the past 3 days, you know the vibes.
Come on now.
Come on now. Are you still not buy? No, I got out. Remember I said? I got out.
But how do you know you take 2 O's? Oh, you went on the stream?
I hopped on. Check they have the notification.
I'm trying to see which trades he took. 2 negative 5 pips.
I can see why he's very bullish today. The daily candle was pretty bullish. But it just wasn't the right time, I guess.
It could just be like liquidity.
Yeah. I think this might be liquidity wick if we close bullish here. Like we should continue to go up, but like, you know, it's just like this is something that I would want to be in, because price came back to hit my entry here, so I didn't know how far back it's gonna push down, because this candle is the body kind of opening. So if it does push out bearish, we don't know how far back it's gonna drive, right? It can drive down all the way down here for all we know, because it broke the lows, right? So I put my stop entry. So yeah, we're gonna wait for another opportunity here. Maybe the 8:15 candle, because if New York opening is gonna open up, it's gonna make a push, probably. Stick around, guys. There's gonna be more opportunities. Don't worry. A bigger one too, probably. Bigger range. We haven't had the best ranges so far. Man, I need some coffee, man.
Fucking wide awake. Like 3 hours of sleep.
I'm at FOREX. We having me wide awake in the morning.
Yeah.
I'll be anxious.
Like
I'm
after
good.
like after like that first trade, you're out. Uppity up.
I am so lucky. So Don, when you said that you moved your stops to entry, I had moved mine up on the 5-minute chart, and it was like literally like half a pip away from closing, like -2 pips, and it turned around, and I'm still in.
Oh, you went below it? Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, that's smart.
My stops was like, cause I went to the 5-minute, like how you say like reduce your losses, so I moved it up like so it'd be like a 3-pip stop, and it like turned around like at 13337. So I'm 10 pips in profit, and I'm secure.
Yep, there it goes. Buzz above 490. You couldn't gone down here to go up. But yeah, here you have some resistance, but I don't see price struggling here at all. This is just like, this is the resistance for me. Right here, this is not the resistance for me. I don't know, this is just like something that comes with experience. This is resistance. Sure, it's a resistance, but I say this is a resistance for me right here. This candle. And this is nothing. The price shouldn't struggle here at all. Should just can fly here. Bullish. 'Cause I feel like GJ is probably just not pop straight up. Like if it stops here, like the next time I might have to struggle to pop up. Cause this is a gulag move, right? Now you need some type of support to the right. So if this count does go up, it should just go straight up like this. Bullish. Shouldn't stop.
Once it breaks the hourly high, we're bullish.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
Man, I'm so cheesed. I'm like, we missed those entries.
These buys?
Yeah, or like, I mean, yeah, you didn't miss them, but.
They didn't go my way.
But wait, so you're Robert, right?
What? This is Don, bro.
Yeah.
No, the other guy.
Oh. I'm like, what?
Yeah, it's good. I'm Sam. Yo, so you moved your stop, like, you moved your stop based on the 5-minute? Like, you moved it lower based on the 5-minute?
Because I was kind of following along with y'all, and I was just looking at where the highs and the lows, where the candles was.
The 5-minute, look at this 5-minute, bro. Never broke any lows here. Holy
yeah, that's
shit.
where it was at. Yeah.
Look at this, crazy.
It like turned around like literally.
Because your candle never turned bearish or anything, so like it was still like valid.
My
Just
spreads got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, my spreads got the stop loss, got the entry.
That's why I was like,
That's
I'll take
alright.
a 5-pip stop. I'll be okay with that. And turn around.
That's what. Yeah. No, that's a good call. That's what Don usually does too, but like on the 15-minute and shit.
Yeah, like I was debating. I was like, maybe I should move my stop loss, like leave my stop loss. But like I usually don't do that quite often. Like in these situations, I'm like the situation candle. I'm like, I'm just gonna move stop entry here. But yeah, spreads got it because it never flipped bearish at all. It just came down close to it.
Never even broke a 5-minute low.
Yeah, no, that's crazy. Some booty going straight to 5-minute now.
Crazy, man. Yeah, your 1 minute's been fire for me lately.
1 minute never broke the lows here.
Yo, how do you
minimize my losses, so I go down to like a 5. I usually stay on the 15, like though.
Yeah, I do that sometimes too. Find a better stop on the 5, but like it's a risky shit.
Oh yeah, very risky. I barely do it.
But honestly,
like, yeah.
I've been having success just like having super small stops.
Me too. Yeah.
That's what
I felt like before when I had super small stops, I was over trading. So I was like, this is only a 5-pip stop loss. I might as well enter.
Yeah, for sure.
This is only a 3-pip stop loss. But then at the end of the day, it's like, yo, I have negative 30 pips here. So it just adds up to one big trade. So I'm like, might as well just take one big quality trade. You know what I mean?
But like you said, as long as the trade makes sense.
Yeah, that's all that matters. All that matters.
See.
You know, once you guys like, you guys gonna start seeing like for all the new traders here. Once you guys, the moment you guys actually like have an actual playbook in your mind, the trades that you actually enter off of every day, or every time you see it, and you have like a large like scale of, not scale, but you have a large sample size of it, of how profitable they are. That's when you're gonna start coming to see success. And then once you start tuning those trades, that's when you're gonna see the real success. Like fine tuning those trades in your playbook, each small thing at a time. That's when you're gonna start seeing huge success. And boom, that's how it's gonna start. But if you're just buying and selling, man, like you're not doing much for yourself, man, at all. If you're just buying and selling, looking like you're looking at those candles, like, oh, there's a buy, there's a sell here, you know, entering buys and sell randomly, entering round trades, you know, that's when it, you know, might take a bit more time for you, but oh,
So your
locks
goal
here.
is to just like become as fluid as possible. Just like
Yeah,
be able to just like
It'll
you
be
know
worth it.
adapt to the market as much as you can.
Yeah, it'll be worth it.
like man, it took me a minute to fine tune this stuff, bro. A minute. Like I have like probably 8 plays in my book. I've been fine tuning everything every day, small thing at a time. Like I have a play for every like, not play, but I have like a, the way I manage my trades, I have like a little, I guess, a playbook for managing my trades as well. Like I know when to close this, when to do that, you know. Like this closure on this candle was part of the playbook. I always close there no matter what happens. Sure, I played out this time, but I don't care because in the long run, that's what I'm trying to look at. The long run, not just the short term, not just for one trade. How many years have you been trading, G? Trading for 1.5 years.
Mm.
But the amount of hours I've been putting in every day since it started last March was pretty, I'll say, pretty impressive. I never put as much hours in anything in my life. I'll say I spent probably like about minimum like 3 hours a day every day since last March. Every single day, including Saturdays, Sundays. Like
Forex is life.
just, you know, not even back testing, just I guess like watching something or just testing something out, or you know, yeah, I guess back testing. Takes a lot of time. 2 months in, negative 50 on my main. Okay, so my tip for you, you're 2 months in, right? Whatever you do now would not matter. You took that loss today, it doesn't matter in the future. If you took that win today, it doesn't matter in the future. Because when you actually have like, you know, a couple years in, or you actually start seeing actual bigger profits, whatever you do now, it does not matter. Like the profits don't matter. Just try to focus on the skill level, you know, catching the move, and just the move itself. Don't, not the pips, not the lot sizes, none of that.
Yeah,
Just focus on the trade. On the trade, that's it. Cause this trade, I popped an 8.0. But if I were to, you know, like the first buy and sell, I popped the 5. Second, I popped the 8, right? But even if I popped the 0.10, I would have still closed half, leaving my runner. Same shit. You know, even if I popped like a 0.02, I would have closed half, leaving at 0.01. I would have done the same exact steps. So lot sizes don't matter, profits don't matter. What matters is the move. If you can make that move at one time, and you can repeat the same move over again, you can do that over and over and over again, 100 times, and then 1,000 times, and then 10,000 times, and then it's gonna add up.
Well,
But if you can't do it once, you can never do it. So
I just I don't even look at the profit screen. I'll just look at the chart and the candles.
I honestly, like, as much as I you know, as big as the profits are for me, like I don't really look at them, man, like at all. Like I look at the actual move. Like I'm pissed sometimes because I probably just messed up my play, right? But I'm not pissed about the actual losses on the trade. That doesn't matter for me. Like people just say, oh my god, Don, you made you know, you pop with 8.0, so it's easier for you to trade. That doesn't matter. That's irrelevant, man.
You even the little like the $2,000 account challenge. Just tell them.
Yeah, like we literally flipped a
just like-
$100
just
to
like
1,000 in
that,
VIP
money.
in 3 months. Yeah.
Yeah.
See how it took 3 months? People still were impatient. Like, you're
I actually
risking
did the challenge too.
like
Yeah, I was.
that's a 1 to 10 risk to reward, bro. Literally a 1 to 10 risk to reward. 100 to $1,000 account. And then from
that account was
and then
100x.
and then from 1,000 you could just split it to a 10,000. Same scale, you know.
Yeah.
I was
That's
actually
right.
thinking about doing that in like a month. I was gonna try to like 10K, like 100 or 1,000.
There was like 8 people on this call last month. Well, no, actually not. At first it was 30. It was like ranging from 25, 30, 40.
It was like 20.
And then it went down to like 10, 20, that level. And then now it's just back to like 60, 50 plus every stream. So we hit like 90 last week or something. Can you do another challenge? No, never. It's just, it was a waste. It's a waste of my time. No one followed along, and 2, like, it's just, why would I do that if I could just, you know, trade my actual account with my actual regular account size. But then again, like, I can just give you guys the signals, like, with the account balance, whatever. But it's just too much work for me, man. It's too much work. It's just not worth my time at all. It doesn't really benefit me. I already do free shit on the VIP for the live streams and everything anyways. You can literally just do the challenge by yourself just by following the signals on the stream. It's the same thing. Just manage your risk accordingly and you can get there. But yeah, it's just not worth my time to do it. You know what I mean? If the 1 hour candle broke the high, is it a good buy? Yeah, that's what Sam was talking about. Sam said how the 1 hour breaks the high, we should be able to push up. Me personally, like, I don't know if I want to enter on this because like I'm probably gonna have to wait for the 8:15 candle because now my stock's gonna be like 31
No, I
pips.
wasn't.
Too
I
big.
wasn't saying like you could enter a buy there.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
was saying,
it should be clear to go.
yeah, price will just be like bullish, like very bullish. Didn't break the high and it broke the low, so. Let's see.
Yeah, it could come back down.
Man, if this hourly ends up going bearish, I might have to enter as well.
Yeah. Wait, what you say again? If you break the lows? Yo, this is like, man, this is kind of choppy. Not gonna lie here.
Yeah, super choppy.
But again, like a 30-minute, still in that range. So there's still a move coming. You know, GJ hasn't really made a move yet. These are little small things.
Like
You know?
mini moves.
Yeah, these are just mini moves. The background music is giving NBA Street vibes. Come on, man. Oh, ball like I'm Curry. NBA Street vibes. The game NBA Street Ballers, it's called. You guys know that game on PS1 or PS2?
Oh man, that was a while ago.
This is a game, man. This
Yeah.
is better than every single 2K that's came out within the last couple of years, yo. This one,
What year
holy
did that come out?
Vince Carter in this was the GOAT. This one, holy shit.
Yeah, I remember that.
This game was crazy, bro.
NBA.
Like probably the best game I've ever played in my life.
Street ball, yeah.
Good vibes, good vibes.
So Flight was
horrible
doing
now.
like a gameplay walkthrough to that.
Oh, Ballers?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Is there story mode? No, right? It's just like bare dribbling. Bare
No,
street dribbling.
yeah, it's a story mode, no?
Oh, I forgot. I forgot.
It's like some guy like steals your girl and then you like 1v1 him or some shit.
Hey, Glow. Let's run Warzone later, bro. I'm trying around later. Samuel Huntley. Try around later.
Yeah, I'm running it.
I'm taking a nap though. I'm tired.
Yeah.
Definitely. Slept for like how long yesterday?
The only thing weird about a forex schedule living in the U.S. Uh-oh. DJ Close bullish.
What are you guys looking at? Oh, buys?
I think you ought to just wait for the 15 to close.
Doesn't Doji mean reverse of the Doji mean it's gonna go up? I don't know. I don't believe in like any of that stuff. Like this is how I see dojis. The candle opened and closed where it was. So what you do is you could actually just block the whole candle out like this, and nothing happened, and we just follow the previous candle. This candle broke the lows of this, and boom, came straight down to the support. Okay? But I don't know. I don't believe in like double dojis, bullish engulfing. It's like I don't look at candle patterns. I just see them as regular candles. That's too much work, man. You know, it's too much work to do that stuff. Make your life easy. Just look at the candle low, candle highs.
A higher high on the 15.
Yeah, like this kind of should push up. It's just that like I would enter a buy here, right? But it's just that this candle stop loss is way too big for me. Like a 30 pip stop loss here. So like if the 15-minute close is bullish, I'm probably gonna enter a position, anticipating this is the 15-minute 1 hour low, go up, because then you have a smart stop loss as well.
Could have buy stops, I think.
Yeah, if it closes bullish like John said, that'll be a good buy. Like if it closes like 133.5. That'd be a nice buy.
Ooh, 70 viewers. Man, hope everyone had a great day today, you know. But make sure also, when you guys come to the charts, have a clear mindset. If you're having a bad day, don't try to trade, because then you're gonna be too emotional. You're having, yeah, just have a clear mindset every time you come to the charts. You never want to come to the charts with a bad mood, or try to because then you're just gonna revenge whatever that is. Like you're mad about, you're pissed about something, you try to revenge it in the markets. And what the market's gonna do is just move regularly, but then since you have a lot of emotions, you're gonna have so many emotions attached to that trade, and then you're gonna start over trading, over leveraging, this, that, and it's just not a good thing to do. So just make sure yeah, you can't attach that stuff to trading, man. It's gonna ruin your account and shred it.
We going up here on GJ? For sure.
Yeah, I should go up here.
Fuck.
Just need to close. Just wait for it to close. And patience is a sucker.
Yeah, guys. So I'm probably gonna look for buys as the 15-minute closes bullish here in like 9 minutes. If you survive it, probably gonna push up. Yo, I think I'm gonna start looking at something else. I'm gonna start seeing how dojis react here, cause like, you know, dojis can still close like, you know, bearish, but like we broke the highs without doji counter, right? So I'm gonna start looking at like this particular move in the future, cause like right here it happened, same thing happened. The 1 hour closed bullish and we broke the lows and we came down, right? But it was a doji. Same thing happened here. 15 closed doji, we broke the highs, we pushed up. So I'm gonna start looking for like these type of entries in the future. I'm gonna start backtesting this over the weekend or something. Just this one particular move. Add to my little playbook if anything. Should go up here though. Am I mad that I missed the move? Of course not. I'm not pissed. I'm not pissed, or I don't have FOMO in any way, shape, or form. I'm just chilling. Cause I know like there's gonna be a tomorrow. You know, that's all you gotta remember. There's always gonna be a tomorrow, and this is not the last buy of the century or the last sell of the century.
It's Asian session too. Yeah.
Yeah, like you have the Asian session. You know, you have like literally like the next couple hours here. You have like literally next week's. You could have a 100-pip move. Who knows? But there's always something. So you just gotta focus on the move and not the actual trade and the profits. That's all that matters. And once you start doing that, you're not gonna have FOMO anymore. Trust me. There's no FOMO. Once you start looking at the real trade, not the profits. You only have FOMO when you're missing on profits, and that's how you know you're focused too much on the money and not the actual trade. But when you stop having FOMO, that's when you're gonna be focused more on the trade itself. Yeah, this move here, I'm actually gonna take a screenshot of it. Boom. Boom. Cool.
Oh, cause you gonna look at the doji stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna look over it. Right here too. This is what backtesting is, guys. Not just you know looking at the actual move. That's so easy though. If you just backtest, look, if I go back in time right now. Let's say I go back in time and backtest right now. Let's say I go back to like this level. Let's pick a round area. Boom. Shit, I saw that. What happened? Let's go over here. Go over here. So down here, right? See what happened down here. Let's see what happened. Oh, we're gonna go bullish here. You know, we have this resistance here. You know, you have if price breaks that resistance, should push up to this level here. Pretty bullish here. You know, then let's see what happens to play it. Count's probably gonna fly all the way up to this target. Okay, close bearish, buy sells above this candle. To go up, boom. Okay, buy sells didn't get activated. Okay, let's see what happens there. Oh, pushing up. Oh shit. What time is it? Oh, okay. This is during Asian. Never mind.
Literally giving a back testing.
My point is, guys, backtesting is not just looking at the direction. Backtesting should be a lot more than that. You know, what you could have done better on like your previous trade, or what you could have done better on that loss or on that win. You know, like this win, the second win, or actually this trade alone, I could have backtested this. I'm gonna backtest, see what I could have done better. Maybe I should have held it, you know, but who knows? Like this sell, probably gonna, this buy, I'm gonna backtest it, see what happened. Like things like this. Look for ways to get better in your trades for the next trade.
Oh,
You know.
shooting.
Yeah, we're pushing up here.
Maybe nice if the 15 would have closed down here.
One thing you said about FOMO really makes a lot of sense. Yeah, right? See what I mean though? Like, if you only have FOMO if you're trading for the money. If you're not trading for the money and you're trading for the actual move, you're never gonna have FOMO, because then you actually look for the actual moves and you're never gonna, you know, have FOMO in the moves, because you can't have a FOMO in a move. Well, actually you can, but like majority would just be the money. But you guys know what I mean.
You understand that you shouldn't.
You guys know what I mean. FOMO comes from money.
Focus on the skill. The money will come. Or the money will follow. Okay.
Yeah, buys were so clean. Price came back in the range. We fill the range. Should be able to push up further here. Now I just hope like this 15-minute has a nice wick fill so we can go up. This is what I'm wishing for right now. Because if that doesn't happen, then we're gonna miss the whole entire buy. I'm sorry to tell you guys. Well, at least the buy to like this target, you know, and then eventually this target. But I hope for a candle like this. This is a New York Open, so that's why we got that push. So if you get something like this, maybe this would be perfect right here for a buy. Boom, enter a buy right here. TP right here.
And the Asian one, the Asian Open.
Yeah.
Same thing to London too. I'll do some fire trading ones.
Okay, 3 minutes left. Let's see what happens here. You can get a potential entry. Who knows? Doji's our continuation. Yeah, I don't know, man. Whatever you guys wanna, you know, believe in, whatever you guys wanna do. I used to believe in that stuff. I used to look at that stuff as well. But it's just, I don't know. Whatever works for you, whatever works for you, stick to it. You can look at dojis in whatever way, reversals or whatever way you want. I've seen dojis both ways. Dojis reverse, dojis continue right here. Dojis continue right here. You know, dojis reverse, like, just, I don't know. This kind right here, doji, came down, you know. Just, I look at it a certain way. People look at it a certain way. But there's never something that's set in stone, you know. Never something that's like, you know, this means this equals this, that's that. That's why my trading is so fluid. I'm so fluid to the markets. I adapt to everything in the markets. Every trade is different. Every entry is different for me. I don't wait for the same entries.
Similar.
Because if I were to wait for the same entries, I'll put a fib on my chart and just wait for that one entry every single time. But unfortunately, trading is not that easy, right? But you have these courses out here that teach that. It's kind of disappointing. Some courses out there just teach straight up a fib.
It's like, I don't know if it's just me, but like right before I started Forex last year, like in the beginning of 2019, like right before that, it's like when like everybody started talking about Forex, and it's been like real deception, like real deceitful with signals and courses. Because I done took like maybe like 2 or 3 before I got to mine.
Yeah, I don't know, like a lot of these courses out there, they teach a lot of this, like just fibs, you know, like the way I see fibs and trend lines is just, I see it as just like, it's one side or the other, literally. It's like I just wish trading was that easy, you know, like you're literally just waiting for a price to bounce off a certain level every single time. Like you have one move in your playbook, and that's a trend line rejection, or like a Fibonacci level. Like y'all be a lot more, y'all be a lot more fluid than that, man.
Like I don't even use trend lines and fibs no more, like because I see they're not valid. Like as far as like if you want to get good results, I just use market structure and the candles. Ain't about to close. Damn.
Yeah, I think since the 15 is gonna close with no swing team up bullish, I think the next thing to wait for is a 30-minute candle for a nice wick to go up. That can be your entry.
I look want some new Cardi music.
Hmm?
I said I look want some new Cardi music.
Oh, you listen to Cardi too?
Yeah. He can fall off this year if he don't drop.
Nah, I don't think he's gonna fall off. I don't know.
Uh,
I don't know if he's gonna fall off. I think he was just like his. I don't know if he'll fall off is like probably just like nigga example. Falling off is like who fell off this year?
I was just gonna say like who fell off in like the last.
Like I don't know, Fetty Wap for example. He fell off. That's what falling off is. But I don't know. Cardi still has like a lot of
No, he's gonna drop the album this year.
Yeah, for sure he is. But it's just
Just take it forever.
let's see how it does though.
Well, I think it'll do well.
You think so?
He's more talented than like 90% of these rappers.
Yeah, he has a lot.
95%.
You better show it. No, I think he probably gonna drop like before the end of the summer though.
J. Cole, I don't think he fall off. J. Cole is just I don't like him as a rapper, but
J. Cole's guy, I don't like.
I don't think he fell off. He's like a Frank Ocean. He just drops whenever and he just
Say if everybody like his music, you know.
yeah, like I don't like him. Like I hate him. I'm not gonna lie, I hate him.
Man, he said he hated him.
Just kind of corny. Like I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Same with Travis Scott. Honestly,
His wordplay. Oh yeah, Travis Scott lit.
he used
Nah,
to.
you
I don't
should-
know.
like he just, I feel like he's just too played out now. You know.
Yeah.
So many people-
He's kind of like cringy. I don't know. I like his old music better.
He makes like good music though.
I like Travis older music. I ain't listening to Travis older music in a while.
Yeah, like Days Before Rodeo and Rodeo.
Yeah, that's my.
Astroworld was cool though. I think he fell off at Astroworld. Well, he didn't fall off, but I think
Nah, he got
I
way
stopped-
bigger after Astro.
I stopped listening to him after Astroworld.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't like it.
I thought Astro was good, but like it's just I don't know. It just too many people listening to it. It's like I just can't. I don't know why. Just like.
Honestly, Nav carried the whole album. I'm playing. Oh, Yo's might.
Said Nav carried the whole album.
Down dog. Hate is a strong word.
Yeah, bruh.
Hate is a strong
I
word.
like Nav too. That's one of my favorite artists.
Yeah, I like Nav. Yeah.
Bruh.
Oh, Taj is here.
Robots.
Bro, leaking too much.
Taj in the cut though.
Yeah, I ain't even trade, bro. I'm kind of mad. If I would've woke up, I would've been balling right now, bro. How long is this? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I should see a huge move coming for GJ here. Huge move.
Yeah.
So I'm expecting maybe not this hourly candle, but the next hourly candle. So maybe if this candle closes with a nice wick, I'm gonna enter off of it. Cause right now I'm picturing this. I'm picturing this candle close like this. Resistance. Boom. Boom. And then next candle's gonna pop all the way up like this. Like I'm being dead ass. I don't think this is a strong resistance at all, bro. At all. So I'm expecting maybe like the target today to be like maybe what time is it? It is okay 8:19. You gotta write this down. I'm talking about that 8:19, so I have to edit the video after the move plays out. So 8:19. Okay, so maybe like day target should be this up here. This level, right? I mentioned earlier. This level. 134.266, right? So maybe like if this candle stays bullish, closes bullish with a nice wick, you can get an entry like this to go up bullish. Like this. And then boom. Enter the next candle. Boom. Fill up like this. Like this is straight up what I see. But I need to close like this for an entry first, you know. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day today. This is a GG target. So you have all this range to catch. So don't worry if you miss this little range here. You have all this move to catch here. Cause I'm bullish today, right? You guys remember I said earlier I'm bullish today. The sells is just at that moment. Golden profit. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's profit. Nah. I forgot I sent that.
Funny.
1770. 100-pip mover. I mean, straight up, it's a 100-pip move here. It'd be kind of crazy. Huge move. 4 hour broke the highs. Yeah, it should be good to go. Daily is bullish, man. Filling out wick. Ooh, give me a good good move here. I feel like everything's gonna go up today. GJ US30 gold, everything's going up. So US30 tapped that target earlier, as I mentioned, right here. So the next resistance is probably gonna be, as I said, we're not gonna struggle here. It should just be this target right here, 26942. So everything is bullish today. So if you guys missed the move, do not worry. You have gold, GJ, and US30 ready to take off, all 3 pairs. And don't ask me why it's not moving the opposite direction. Don't ask me why GJ is not moving with US30, okay? We're moving the opposing direction. I think the yen's very weak right now. Pushing the pound up. Or I think the pound's very strong. Let me check. Yep. The pound is very strong, the yen's very weak. So GG's going up. If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like. We had 28 likes. You guys want 30 pips? I'll give you guys 30 pips. So I need about 30 more pips. Not bad. I can give it to you guys. Ding. Man, what a week we have here. Gonna be a good. It's only Tuesday.
Yeah, only Tuesday. Exactly.
It's gonna be a good day. That's all I'm gonna say. Cool. This countdown closes in 6 minutes here. See how it closes. So like I said, I wanted to close with a nice wick so we can have a potential entry here to go out bullish. So let's see. It's retracing. Let's see if we survive the next 5 minutes here. See. I want to make a coffee so bad, man. I'm so tired. Yo, you think you guys can hold it down for the next 5 minutes? 10 minutes?
Yeah, go make
You
your
gotta
coffee.
Yeah, yo, just
the market.
just swing me your MT5 password real quick, and
Yeah. Next thing you know, withdraws account. Okay, you can't withdraw on MT5 though. I mean, if you if you have the account, you can.
I got the hacks.
Yeah, you have to have the Vantage. I mean you have to have the trader's domain account.
Oh,
I
so
mean,
can't be hacked.
I have two-step verification though, so you cannot. Don't waste one will happen. Yeah, impossible.
Switched over from here before.
Where's Jimmy at? Is this guy, you know, guy trained in London or something last night? Like, what's happening?
Shit, bro. I don't know. I be tired. I don't know if it's like a tired month or what. Bro, I can't wake up at 5:30. I don't know if the sun has beat me up or what, but it's been hot as hell in AZ, bro. Stupid hot.
Yeah, definitely.
Where's my monitor at work?
Man, look, guys, GJ is currently, you know, pulling back. So see, if you had FOMO entered up here, look at this. Now you're in drawdown. You gotta be patient. That's all that matters. You gotta be patient. It's all about being patient. Same thing for Warzone. What I learned in Warzone, I actually learned a lot of things in life in Warzone. Playing Warzone, Call of Duty Warzone for the past couple of months, past 2 months, I learned a lot about being patient. You know, I used to just rush people and just, you know, come to them, just go straight into them. Like let's say they're in the building. Now what I'll do is I'll find ways. Yeah, I think outside the box. You know, yeah, figure out how you enter that building with an advantage. Because if you just enter through the front door, they're gonna see you and they're gonna kill you right through the front door. But you gotta figure out a way to kind of just sneak into the building, maybe from like the roof or the corner. You know, maybe go to the roof, throw a C4 down the in the window. You know, come back downstairs, go up the stairs. Like yeah, think outside the box. And Warzone taught me to be patient, man. Because you can't just rush, man. Because and if like anything in life, man, if you rush something, it's not gonna come out great. You know. So yeah, Warzone. That's why I play Warzone, guys.
Tips on Warzone.
GJ closing 30 minutes below the amount of resistance you consider as a concern. Nah. No. It's still gonna close bullish above the resistance here. This is your resistance. Like I said, my resistance for GJ was actually right here. This is my resistance, not this. You know what I mean? Is this right there? It's funky, but this is where my buy candle was like right here when price broke this high. So now like I'm expecting a huge move up like this. 2 minutes left. Let's see what happens here. Like I said, I wanted that candle, right? So hopefully we print that candle here and push up. Hopefully. Because if you do close bullish, this is their low of the hourly, and price shouldn't break that low if it wants to push up. So let's say it's gonna close like this. I don't know why it always closes like this, but this is my favorite candle. Like, I don't know if it just like, you know. Like, yo, Sam, isn't this like this happens quite often, no?
Yeah, all the time.
Like
15 minute,
yeah, like every time. Like, I don't know
the
why.
second 15-minute candle is like I hate, like it's not a good candle.
It's blessed for an entry, you know. But yeah, if the 15 breaks the low here, it's gonna go down. Yeah, 'cause now, yes, no.
Choppy, bro.
Yeah,
choppy.
yes, remember what I said earlier? I mean, in last week's stream, whenever you have something like this, just stay out the markets. That will fake out. Stay out the markets. It's gonna be a rangy day, or at least a rangy session. But now, if it comes back in a range, it's gonna go all the way back down here for the range, and then eventually drop. But usually, the second fake out is a fake out that makes the actual initial move go down. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I've backtested it a couple times. I've seen it a couple times, but the second fake out usually does the move go down. But let's see, because if I go back in the past last week, I think I've seen it as well.
Oh, so basically you're saying like if it's a double fake out, it was basically like following the original direction.
It's not following the second direction, yeah.
First fake out was telling you that it's gonna go up. Second fake out was telling you that it was still going down.
Let me try to find last week's example. I forgot where it was, but fuck. I don't know if I can find it.
I forgot what day it was.
Yeah, I'm not gonna find that. That's too much work. But let's see. Until it breaks the 15-minute low, we can't say anything. Still can't bullish. Close doji. No entry for me here. Yeah, no entry for me. I'm gonna have to wait for the hourly candle now. The hourly candle will be the candle. But it closed doji, right? So technically, price shouldn't, you know, it opened and closed where it was. So I don't know. If price breaks this low, you can say it's gonna go down. But technically, it can still go up as long as it respects this low here. But the 15 is about to break the low, right? So now it's a fake out down, probably to fill the range, and eventually we're gonna continue down bearish down to the support here. Let's see what happens here. You jump in right before the next candle or wait? It depends on the situation. Sometimes I jump in before, sometimes I jump in later, sometimes I jump in the middle of the candle, sometimes I jump in at the opening of the candle. Who knows? It depends on the situation. Like I said, every trade is different. Every trade has its own scenario. I like how people are starting to catch on to my trades now. They're starting to see what I do. Like, oh, do you think this is gonna happen now since we closed this? Pretty cool. Teaching for free, you know, pretty cool. Looks like an evening doji. Man. Looks like a morning star. Looks like a evening star. It looks like a morning this, morning that. Man, I don't know, man. This is it can be whatever it wants to be. It's just I don't know. I used to look at it like that too, but yeah. 15 looks like it's gonna come back into the range. I heard someone say they have stopped using fibs levels. Can't tell why. Oh, my bad, Sharif. I didn't see this message, but the reason why I stopped using fibs was because it's still in here. Still in here. Yeah. So the reason I stopped using fibs was because fibs is like it's not as I guess consistent. Because if fibs were so easy to use and they were so profitable, I would just wait for a 61.8 fib retracement or a 31.8, I mean 32.8 fib retracement every single time for price to go up or price to go down. Now literally just wait for that one entry every single time. Oh, I see it. It's just there's not much detail in the fib except for the fact that it's off of this level or this level, you know? Like I used it before, I dropped them. It just wasn't as consistent for me. I had to drop them. Like, no way it was gonna work for me in the long run. I mean, maybe for 1 or 2 trades, oh, I got happy over it. I'm like, oh wow, fibs work here. Fibs are amazing. And then, you know, in the long run, it just didn't work out. So I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna drop the whole fib, the whole trend line. Halfway to 1K subs, bro. Yeah, I think I'm able to monetize soon because I'm only like the watch hours. I got that. I have enough of that. It's just I need like 500 more subs and I'll be able to monetize. But that's not even my word. It's not my word. But if it happens, it happens, you know. Like I said, using fibs is like, I guess the easy way out. Not the easy way out, but I guess like for me, I'll say the lazy way. Like people learn how to use fibs and trend lines. It's a lazy way because it's just like you're waiting for prices to reach a certain point and you have that one type of entry every single time. Literally, you have like a trend bouncing off this trend line and you have prices bouncing off a certain fib. You're waiting for that one type of entry every single time. And if a market throws a curveball at you, you don't know what to do after. You're gonna be kind of stuck and frozen. Like candles, the way I trade, it looks simple on paper. Like the way it looks right now looks simple. It's just a bunch of lines and just support and resistance. But it takes a lot more work than that, man. It takes a lot more thinking than just waiting for price to bounce off a certain level. Like trading in the range it's hard for some people. But trading in the range for me is very easy. Like this trade right here would have been a move been made in the range right here. This buy that we had earlier was in the range, right? People say, oh, it's just ranging. Don't trade the range. But look, could have caught a nice 22 pip move if I held it. You know, comes with a lot of experience though. As you start to grow as a trader, you're gonna start to realize things that work for you and things that don't work for you. And you're gonna start to drop certain things that don't, and you're gonna keep the things that do work for you. Like I said, fibs, personally for me, fibs didn't work for me, I dropped them. Trends didn't work for me, I dropped them. Indicators didn't work for me, I dropped them. Support rate,
Winners and cut your losers.
yeah, it's like saying keeping your losses short and keeping your winners big. Why would you want to do something that doesn't work for you? You know, if something doesn't work for you in the charts, why would you want to keep doing it?
Gotta keep it simple.
Try to like use a fib 100 times and see how often it plays out, or use a trend 100 times, see how often it plays out, or like an indicator, or like whatever you want to use, right? If it works out, then it works out for you. But if it doesn't, then nothing's holding you back from dropping it. Just continue to do what you do.
Like, don't trade and not like want to become a better trader. Like, do stuff to make yourself better.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't keep doing the same mistakes if you're not seeing any progress.
Exactly. And that's why trading is so entertaining, man. You
Yeah.
never gets boring. There's always new things to add, new things to take out, stuff happens. The whole journey.
Where is the whole?
Takes some time though. Takes a lot of time.
It still is a journey.
A lot of time. Yeah. Oh man, Forex unclosed bearish here. That sucks.
Mm-hmm.
That's unfortunate. My day might be done actually.
Yeah, I'm staying out. I was just gonna say something.
Like, oh man, can't tell.
I mean,
15 broke the lows. Oof, tough. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. Like, I don't know. If this is a double fake out, pressure should be able to push down.
It looks like it's gonna go up to me right now.
Like daily is bullish, right? Yeah, I don't know.
Doji on the last candle.
Yeah. The 1 hour has to close bullish, but the 4 hours is big. Look at the 4 hour. It's gonna close below that range. I mean, below those wicks. Below that support.
What's that?
4 hour?
The
It's
what?
the
So
4
it
hour.
goes below the wicks?
Yeah, right here. Boom. Boom.
Wait, let me look at your suit.
Right there. Below these wicks. The body's unclosed. Like, these are just wicks, right? But like, now you're actually getting a body closed below those wicks. So it has a strong chance of going down. Super choppy, bro. Like 4 hours don't throw me off a lot.
Man, I think I think I might have like a swing of like I might pop like a like 10, and then have a buy stop on the 4 hour high because I was looking at that yesterday.
4 hour high, if it breaks the high, bro, it's gonna be golden. Like
Yeah.
huge buys today.
Yo, look at what happened last time it broke the 4 hour bearish high.
exactly.
Right here. This one right here. This one's low. It broke the bullish low. Boom.
Yeah.
So the 4 hour is just super strong. It's like the same thing for a 15 minute, 30 minute, but it's just bigger range, a bigger
like
range.
It's a higher time frame.
Yeah.
Stronger, yeah. Stronger pushes.
Mhm.
Then targets 134, 100. Or no, I'll probably say like 134, 965.
901 for sells. 901, I think.
No, for buys.
Oh, for buys. Oh yeah, I'd probably say 112 or 266. What's yours again? 900.
131, 960.
Oh yeah. 131.
Or 134, 133, 960.
Oh yeah. That's clean. Yeah, we're on that level. Should be good. But you know, guys, gold's gonna push up today. That's all I know. That's all I know, guys.
GJ. Choppy. Choppy, 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 choppy.
Ooh, gold's in profit. Nice. 59.6. Oh, that's about 16 pips. Close. That's my favorite song off the playlist. Like 20 pips. Damn, VIP just ate on gold here. I gave a signal. I gave a signal for 20 pips here.
Mm-hmm.
Close like 50% here. Leave a runner. Nice. 20 pips in the bag here. And you have a runner now. Clean. VIP is eaten. Oh, GJ came back bearish. I think it's gonna go down, man. 4 hours gonna, 4 hours push down here.
Yeah,
I don't know. Let's see. I think
looking like it.
because the 15 closed bearish and broke the lows, right? I think it's a double fake out. So like, I think I mean the 15 is a double fake out, but the 30 minutes is not. 30 minutes is a regular range. It's a clean range. This is the nicest range you'll probably get in your life. Look at that perfect range. Like I love these ranges. So nice to look at. I wonder if people enter a sell here and they're still holding a sell, Like look at the range you gotta be in. Like this whole range, you like fuck. You have so much emotions here. You're like, man, am I gonna go up or down? Like, why not just make your life easier and wait for the range to break out?
Yeah, I can't trade that way. I just trade with all that anxiety.
Like, why not just make your life easier? Wait for a range to break out.
You start making dumb decisions.
Yeah. Like people probably lost a lot of money in this range. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell.
That's another thing I learned, like not letting your trades have too much drawdown.
Yeah.
Simple. Just simple.
Like, sure, this is a range, guys, but the range I was trading was this range, and this is a bigger range. This is more a tradable range, and this move actually played out. So. Yeah, so the VIP actually got a signal earlier for GJ for gold. Had a buy stop here at 17.59, and we actually just took 50% of our profits here at 20 pips. Now we have a runner all the way to 17.70. And I know you guys are thinking, you guys are already on it. I'm looking for an entry right now. If you're looking for an entry right now, it's gonna be a whole new trade idea. Your stops are way bigger. It's not gonna be the same trade idea. You can't close partials where I close partials. You can't move stops to entry where I move stops to entry. It's a whole different trade idea. It might not work out.
No FOMO.
Yeah, so although the target hasn't been tapped yet, it's gonna be a whole new trade idea because the way you manage trades is gonna be completely different. You're not gonna have the same pros to it. Like the pros here, you had a bigger range. You had like this range here to go up to like this at least this resistance up here. You had all this range to close profits and just move stops to entry and all that good stuff, right? But now if you go up, you don't have that much range for, you have like this, but like it's not much like be able to close profits or leave a runner or to move stops to entry yet without hitting your actual entry. Like, without the trade actually hitting your entry before it goes up. So that's what I mean when I say price is a whole new trade idea. That's exactly what I mean. The way you manage trades is completely different. You should push down here. 1 hour is super choppy. 4 hours clean though for a sell.
Wait for the 4 hour. Wait for the 1 hour to close. Or 4 hours to come. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna push straight down here.
Yeah. Ooh, GG coming straight down here. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. I mean, the 1 hour hasn't broken the lows yet.
Mm-hmm.
But like when it closes, yeah, you can hit this is your stops. Down probably. Big stops though. Yeah, this target should be 132.901 here on GJ.
Yeah.
Prosperous Solutions are still in this. I mean, if he held this, he would have been good to go here. But you know, it's just his trade idea.
Yo, look at these buys and sells in the, like, look at that sell on the 15-minute. Man.
Bearish candle?
This
Yeah.
is something that I'm gonna enter off of.
Oh, this fake out. Yeah, this fake out I talked about. Came back in the
That
range.
candle, the next candle.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I would enter off of that. I think if I were to enter, it would have been this
I would.
candle. Like
This
this
is the
opening.
same thing that happened to the upside. Like,
Yeah. This kind of right, this opening kind of right, this stuff right here. Like if I were to enter this, it would have been like this for me. Stops right there, and TP would have been.
yeah, that's straight out seeing you enter kind of.
This would have been my trade,
Yeah.
and I would have took like probably 85% of my profits right here as a support, and leave a runner down to the next support. Why didn't I enter here again? I forgot. I was waiting for the 1 hour or something.
I don't know. It's moving.
8:30.
Yeah, you do say you was waiting for the 1 hour because the 30-minute close, don't you?
Oh man, I
Oh,
should.
yeah, 30-minute.
Yeah. I was testing this move out because remember I said how the OG candles breaking the lows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I'm still on.
Yeah. Yeah. 15 came back in the range. Yeah. This is a easy sell here. Came back in the range here. This is a move I took yesterday. I think for 10 pips. I took the same move yesterday.
The Doji one?
Yeah. Let's watch the replay. I took the same move here.
We got a new entry coming to.
Oh no, wrong trade.
Oh, so that's the one today.
Right here.
Doji move.
Same exact entry. I do the same thing every day. Boom. Broke the lows, fake out, and back in the range. Boom. Broke the lows. Where is it? Came back in the range right here. This, if I were to cover this up, like this, the exact same move on GJ. This. Cover this up. Focus on just this. Just this. No. Just this. Alright. See this fake out right there. Boom, fake it to the top side, came back in the range, fill the range. That cannot fill the range. Same thing happened over here. Came back up, came back in the range, now it's gonna fill the range. Come down. Same entry. It's not like 100% the same, but this idea is the same. Same idea. You said you're answering? No, not yet. We're gonna wait.
Wait for the hour.
I don't know how though I'm gonna enter though, cause that's gonna be quite big. I'm gonna have to wait for a 9:15 candle, but I don't know if I'm gonna trade that long. I ran into some conflict. Like I'm pretty happy for my day. Like I actually made profit today. I made 1 pip because I actually closed this earlier trade with 9 pips. This first shows 9 pips for me. Right, so I actually made 1 pip profit, so I'm pretty happy about that. Believe it or not, I'm happy. I don't care what anyone says. That's 1 pip. That's profit for the day, man. I'd rather do that than just draw down for the entire day. And then next trade was break even. Then this next trade actually played out. Would have been a nice 20 pip move. And then now to sell, the deal is 0-2. So I don't know. My shit played out today. I wasn't in it, but the overall deal played out. So I'm pretty happy. Let's see though. Let's see. I might enter. Like gold is currently going up. My entry though. Whatever. Okay. And I know exactly what I'm gonna do with gold though. If it does hit entry, that 1 hour was still, the 1 hour is still gonna close above the range, meaning that the 1 hour is still gonna go up. Maybe you can have another entry later. See. Isn't 9 pips full position plus 10 pips half position? Yeah, but like I still count as 10 pips because I actually like close well I close like 65% of my positions leaving my runner, but I close at 10 pips. You know what I mean? Like I close half my position at 10 pips. Like I didn't close a full position at like 5 pips or anything. So it's still 10 pips. But no, I'm pretty happy overall. Like, other than that, like this loss, man, I'm happy about this loss because this loss was actually just we closed half of it. Instead of 20 pips, we closed at 9 pips. We managed to trade to that T, and that's what's gonna keep you going in the long run, man. Being able to manage a trade like that. Because man, if this hit stops, this would have been 20 pips, and we would have been down for a day. But since we managed to trade it accordingly, we're actually up 1 pip for a day. So pretty happy. We also called gold buys as well. What I did for VIP. 20 pips secured there. Yeah, whenever I say like close half, close this, close that, it just depends on you, whatever you want to do with it. Some people close half, some people close full in VIP. Whatever you want to do. Sometimes I close full as well. Like I say close half just to leave a runner, but usually I just close the full position sometimes at 10 pips. Just depends. This is the second loss of June too. Of the entire June of live streams call for the past 22 days, we've only lost 23 days. We've only lost 2 trades on live streams. This is the second one. Pretty impressive. We do it live every morning. Every morning you do the same thing. Wake up at 6:30, cop at 6:30, trade 2 times per day, enter 2 to 3 trades per day. You know, with breakdowns, everything. And only 2 losses in June. In May, there was 4 losses. Within the whole month, so doing pretty good here. Great routine. Yeah, talk about the routine, man. Routine's gonna build you what is it? What's the word? Routine builds you. I forgot the word, man.
Consistency?
Consistency? I guess so. Yeah, it builds you consistency. Yeah, sure, I'll see that.
I don't know. Routine?
Habit? Nah. Never mind, forget it, man. Forget it. I don't know, man. But yeah, like if you just do the same thing every morning, like it doesn't matter what happens today. Like, okay, let's say, okay, for example, this is what some people do. let's say for example you wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day till 9 a.m. right? And there's usually a move probably 80% of the time that when you're on within those 3 hours. But let's say all of a sudden one day there's a move that happens at 2 p.m. for like 1,000 pips. Are you gonna trade at 2 p.m. every day after that day? When 80% of the time the move happens from 6:30 to 9 a.m. You know, are you gonna trade at 2 a.m. just because that one day it made a 1,000 pip move? No, that's a bad idea. The better idea, yeah, exactly. The better idea would be to trade within the
Get every day.
yeah, the long run. Within the long run, what's gonna make you win the most? You know. So 6:30.
The one big move. You gotta like you said, long term.
The new trader mindset will probably trade the 2 p.m. because that one day they had that huge move. They'd be like, wow, I found some magic here. I don't care what Don says, man, the best move happens at 2 p.m. in the evening for GJ when the banks are closed. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. First, the banks are closed at 2. The banks are closed at 11 actually for GJ. There's no banks that are open for the yen or for the pound. Number 2, man, there's no like New York open at 8. Oh, New York opens at 8, man. What are you doing at trading at 2? At 2 o'clock, no session opens. You're probably mid New York session. That's probably the least volatile session during the day. And then you have, you don't have anything till Asian session, so it's just it doesn't make sense to trade at 2. We're late. I like US 30 around 2. I mean, yeah, you can get a move here and there, probably. It's just the most volume comes in at for new US 30 probably 8, 9, and 10. 8 New York opening, or if it's not 8, the NYSE opening, and that's it. Yeah, just 8 and 9 those times, and then pre New York, so from 6:30 to 9 from 8. So pretty much London and New York overlap. That's a huge move as well. Robert, you made profit today, or you just close break even, or you just down for the day? Oh, it's on mute. Oh man, what a interesting day today.
2 under profit.
Me?
Just popped the 8 on the.
Yeah, I ended up profiting. Yeah, I popped the 8 on the winner.
Nice.
I was more comfortable taking a sell than a buy. This buy was just a high probable trade. It was just that sell stop was the key move. You know what I mean? Sell stop was pretty key. Made about 300, 250. Not mad, but whatever. Pretty happy. I spent 3 hours on the stream. Pretty good. The market maker's on his day off, bro. That's why it's a hell of a range. Oh man, you want me to wake the market maker up? I'll wake it up in 7 minutes, in like 7 seconds here. GG's gonna plummet on this 9 o'clock candle. I might stick around for like 9:30 or something, look for more entries, but if I were to enter now, stops are gonna be 35 pips, man. It's too big of a stop loss there, but we should be able to push down here. You know what I wonder though? I wonder if people hop off the stream because there's no trades. Like, oh, Don only caught 10 pips today. I'm not gonna watch him. I'm not gonna watch him tomorrow anymore. Or Don only caught, he broke even today. He didn't do good as like last week. He didn't catch 30 pips today. I'm out. I'm not gonna watch him tomorrow. I wonder if people think like that.
Shows like who wants to like really learn a skill or just make money off.
Yeah.
Like really trying to understand like understand trade entries.
Because what's gonna happen is like they're gonna be like, damn, don't we caught 10 pips today or whatever. I'm not gonna watch it tomorrow. You're gonna catch small pips,
Exactly.
but then if I catch like 100 pips tomorrow, they'll come back to me. They'll be like, man, I should be on the stream today. I missed it. How it goes.
You're really missing the education. You can't catch the pip if you don't know how to.
Exactly. Another factor. I mean, I'm pretty grateful, to be honest, though. You know, like 50 people wake up every morning to watch me every morning. Like 50 plus. That's crazy. Just imagine in a room. It's like showing that's like a whole classroom. Like that's like 2 classrooms right there. I'm enrolled in 2 classes. I'm a teacher for 2 classrooms. You know, literally every morning kids show up to class at a certain time for 3 hours, and boom, class is over. They get dismissed. But this class, you make money.
Learn something.
Yeah.
Learn how to make money. Not even just making money. Learning how to.
Class is growing, and class will continue to grow. I wouldn't be surprised if you get 100 viewers by like next couple of months here.
Or about by the end of June.
I think next year you can get 1,000. Pretty sure. Pretty confident. You guys can mark my words. You hit that. June 23rd, 2020.
June 23rd, yeah.
So remember, June 23rd, 2021.
I think around this time of year, like last year, is when I joined the US 30.
Oh, it was July, I think.
That was July. Okay, never mind. I wasn't there yet. I was a little done first.
Don't get me wrong, guys. I used to wake up late for my classes in high school every day. I used to never show up on time. But now I'm waking up at 6:30 in the morning every day. I used to think 8:30 was early. But man, would I have known? I'm waking up at 6.
Same, bro.
I'm waking up at 6:30 now for class, for like, you know, for my own class.
I feel like everybody would if it's about money.
Yeah.
I would show up late for every single class, and then like I wake up early as shit
So
for
just
this.
imagine like going through high school.
Just so it's when you actually like what you're doing, you know,
Yeah.
do something.
Like I love what I do. I wake up every morning, do the same thing every day. Free. But you know, man, if GG breaks this 15-minute high, I don't know what to do. I'm probably gonna hop off the charts if it breaks this high. Because if it breaks this 15-minute high, it just goes to show you that it's gonna come back in this range. You know, so it's very choppy. So I'm probably gonna wait for the 9:15 candle to look for sells to come down. Man, we used to never get like YouTube chats. The chat used to be so dead. Now we're getting questions after questions after questions. And sometimes I can't even answer all of them at once, you know? There's so many questions. But it's all free. Take advantage of that. Send your charts. That's one thing I want to see more though. I want to see more people send charts. Chart markups. I want to see what other people see. Because who knows? Maybe I can use that for my analysis as well. I learn off you, you learn off me. It's time you're done for a day?
No, I'm gonna still look at the charts, but yeah, I'm gonna just chill out.
You answered 2 trades today or 1 trade today?
3 trades today.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Loss,
First trade-
profit,
first trade I-
break even?
I break even for the day pretty much.
I haven't traded yet. I didn't enter anything.
You entered that signal? You entered that signal, bro? Gold and
No.
GJ? Damn.
No, I was studying.
I need to be a walking testimony, bro. I haven't missed a signal in a minute. Like in a minute, where it actually hit stop loss. Like it's been a while since it actually hit stop loss. Been crazy. Been a crazy June. I should do a homework check. You know, everyone should send a chart every day. That mission is one chart. But you know, even if the live streams, man, like even if you like just chilling on it, like man, like, I'll have the live stream up just in a corner, just so I can listen to it while I'm trading. It's just free gems on the side. It just to keep you not bored, you know, when you're trading. Cause I know how it feels to trade alone. It feels pretty boring. Just imagine sitting at a New York session and just trading alone for 3 hours. It's super boring. So having someone to talk while you're trading about the same ideas that you have is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's just boring when you're by yourself.
It's pretty boring, bro. It's pretty boring.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. I can't do it. That's why I started to thing every morning. Zoom with you guys, and then eventually I started live streaming it. That's me in London. Yeah. Oh man, we're dropping here.
I'm in it, boys.
Oh, you got has to broke the lows, right?
Yeah,
Plain.
yeah, I did.
Plain.
My entry is 223.
Like, I wanted to enter here on this candle, but stops were way too big for me. This would have been my entry. If I were to enter here, this would have been my entry. Boom. Stop loss up here, and TP would have been down here. Around that level, somewhere there, right?
What is that, a 101?
Yeah, but look how big stops are. 35 pips,
Yeah, I
bro.
know, stops are big, I know.
That would have been an entry, but I can't get an entry anymore. I can get an entry right now, but I'd rather wait for a candle in 5 minutes here. But actually, you know what? I'm enter a sell here.
Yeah?
Yes, because this is a clear traffic candle move here. Stop loss is right there.
Yeah.
Entry is right here. TP is 132. 132.911. Stop loss is 133.260. Because now, if you look left on GJ, this is a clear traffic candle down on the left. And we're breaking the lows as well.
Yeah, that's why.
Ding. I'm gonna sell, guys. My final trade of the day. Whatever happens, happens.
Should be profitable this trade.
Yeah, it has a high chance of being profitable.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sell here.
I entered a second position where you are.
Yo, Sam, remember back then you used to make those mistakes where you used to enter a buy instead of a sell by accident, and you just take a loss for no reason?
Every single day.
Holy shit! this guy got like, I don't know what happened, bro.
I probably lost like 150 after just like
Holy shit!
wrong.
No way.
Like, bro, I did it so many times.
You still do it today though?
Nah. Because I just played GJ, so I don't.
Yeah.
No confusion.
Oh yeah, not even like the wrong buyer sell. Man, just enter a
It's
different
wrong
pair. Wrong pair.
Wrong buyers.
Oh shit, we're pushing here, guys. Yeah, guys, I entered a sell based on the fact that if you guys take left on GJ, you have this move down. So like, okay, this might not be as clear. You have some support there, but like once you get there, at least you can actually move stops at entry and you can let it run down to this target, because the hourly target looks pretty clean. I mean, the 30-minute target looks pretty clean here. If you look left on GJ, you have this.
That hourly wick filter.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Because look at the 4 hour.
That huge move right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Boom. 4 hour. That's the high of the 4 hour. You should be able to push down for the wick.
Yeah,
4 hour
and
broke the
look how-
lows.
And look how
4
far, like, yeah,
4 hour
so-
has the clean traffic candle as
Yeah.
well. Man, this is a
Turn
clean.
this into a swing. This is a good swing.
This is a clean trade here.
Yeah, good swing.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
7 pips in profit.
Yo, first entry, 20 pips. Second entry, 10
Once
pips.
price gets down here, we stops the entry.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm stop century right now.
Oh, I'm closing 50% of my profits here. Close half.
Oh shit. Oh
Let's
shit.
go.
Stops to entry.
Oh, shit.
Perfect. Let's
Oh,
go.
Let's go. Come on.
Move, GJ, stop
Come
loss.
on, bruh. First entry is unbeatable, bruh.
Risk free trade.
Yo, my shit's not letting me.
Close.
This order has been sent to the server.
Whoa.
What the hell?
Bruh.
Your magic
What
keys.
just happened, bro?
Bruh.
You can't close or what?
Oh no, close it.
Oh, you're tripping. Close the whole position.
Say my boy got finesse.
No, it just took very long.
Yeah, close 50%. I have a runner now.
Alright, I have a point 30 runner. Let's go.
Bada boom. Bada being like I said, guys. See that range we had? We had that extra range here, so we knew exactly where we are gonna close profits at, or close half at, and we knew where we're gonna move stops to entry at. But now if you enter, where you're gonna do that? You have no advantage anymore to do that, because now you have this support here and you have some struggle here, right? But if you enter up here, you have that this whole area to be able to secure profits, especially at this support to the left here.
Hopefully though, it actually feels like that for
Yeah, like obviously I want to tap TP.
Yeah.
I want my runner to go, but I secured 10 pips there.
Because I already broke the previous hourly too.
Yeah.
It's on a big bearish momentum now.
Trade 4. Holy shit, 4 trades. GG base sells. My last trade, I promise you guys. 10.
So this like the day you took like
Pips.
the most.
This is the most trades taken in a while.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But honestly, it just depends on like,
What the market presents itself.
it's just I don't know. It's just, I'll say for beginners, startups, 1 or 2 trades per day. But as you start to gain more experience and you start to experience more, what's the word? More discipline. You could, start to like anticipate more things. But closing half of my positions there.
What? Yo, who's that?
Who is that? Come on now. I know the trade was good, but yeah, you chill, like I know a trade played out good, but you can chill here. Close.
A good runner TP would be like 132, 7, 8.
Guys, if you guys are in control of FOREX stream today, you guys would have been profitable. If you were in any other stream, I don't know, man. But just know you're free here, you're profitable today.
Fucking alarms.
Rip. Let's go, GJ.
Yo, GJ's going ham right now.
We're going
A
ham.
man named Jimmy.
Bruh.
A man
What a-
named Jimmy.
Waterfall.
Guys, I'm closing my positions here. I'm closing full here for 15 pips. I think it was 16 pips right here.
That sound, bruh? Yo, I almost
16
like,
pips.
I heard that sound. I'm like, yo, I know the trade looks fine and all, but gee, calm down.
16 pips on GJ here to finish my day.
Nice.
Bro, my shit's lagging. What the hell?
Oh,
Boom.
Not letting me close it.
Boom. Bada bing. Bada boom.
What the heck is going on?
TP for GJ Smash.
Yo, what the fuck? Oh, wait.
let's go, Don.
Holy shit. How many
Holding the runner,
pips was that? How many pips was that from our entry to
Still
TP?
holding the runner, my G.
23 pips. Nice.
53 pips.
Very nice.
Plus
I
23
am
pips.
Up 30 pips.
Send me all profits. If you guys like that trade, leave a like on the stream. Leave a subscribe, all that good stuff. Come on, you guys will like it up. 30 likes, that's it. 30 likes for the stream. Come on. Look at that trade, man. No drawdown. Come on. 30 likes. Let's get 50 likes.
That was a beautiful trade.
Yo, a man
Beautiful
said-
trade, right? Beautiful trade.
Wait, ha. What?
Man.
Bro.
Come on, the trade was broken down to the T. Look left. I know it was quick. It wasn't like I didn't give it much time, but it was quick. It was like I'm in, and this is my breakdown right here. Boom, right? It's just the thought process in my head happened like is a lot quicker, but
Yo,
look at this trade.
Some man said, I feel those are some late entries.
Sure.
No, it's a valid entry.
This is not late entry. Oh my bad. I didn't look at your chart, Henrique. My bad. I was kind of busy entering a trade. I got you. My fault.
Bro, it doesn't even matter the entry as long as you take the dub still. Yo, Don, how's some man banking like 1.9k off you, bruh? Man threw in like.
Oh really? Guys, see, look,
Some
look,
man
look.
in the premium chat threw in like 1,
Cause
2,
man, we just can't miss, man. Look at these guys.
4. This guy threw in like a point.
Oh, that's Jaden. This guy Jaden. Holy shit, this guy bare lives. This guy enter a shit ton of lives here.
4.0.
Don, can you explain your analysis again for the stream? Alright. If you want me to explain analysis, give me 50 likes and I'll explain it. I'll break it down last time. 50 likes. So 16 more likes now, I'll explain it. There's 70 viewers in here. I know you guys can get 50 likes. I know it's easy. It's easy, guys. Click the like button. That's all that is.
Oh, I forgot.
Ooh, today's highlight video was me. Neat. That's a good highlight video here.
Can you manage your risk?
Hey, he even said that when the stream started, there's gonna be a lot of opportunities today.
Yeah, a shit ton of opportunities today. Shit ton, man.
Bro, I whipped off from last night. This shit was crazy.
Oh yeah, bro, that was like the trade deal, the trade word. Finally,
Bro.
bruh. Like I knew some man who caught that whole US 30, bruh.
How do you like? Or you scroll down on YouTube when you like it, you know?
What do you like? Just like.
Damn, bro. But yeah, I'll be up tomorrow, bro. I got house sleeping. Fuck.
Nah, bro, you could sleep in, bro. Don't worry about it.
Nah, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm
Sleeping
telling
in
you,
is
ever
trust.
since it became super hot again, bro, my back.
What?
Hella
Bro, you
medicine.
still pushing down, bro.
I know, man. This thing
Yo,
is
if it
pushing.
breaks that low, that 4 hour right there, bro, it's gone.
But
Oh man,
Once it
I
breaks
ain't-
that
I ain't
shit,
even see it drop that low. I could have held.
Man, if it breaks this low, man, it's gonna go all the way down, bruh.
Where
This
do you think
is-
you'll go after, like,
But like, thing is, I don't have a runner. I just closed my full positions here. I'm
It's
pretty.
gotta close though.
Yeah, it's a close. But like, technically, the daily candle is still bullish. Like yesterday's daily until it breaks that low. But if GG breaks 131.760 today, it's gonna go all the way down further to like this level. But that's kind of far. I don't know if it's gonna make it there. Let's see.
We'll see.
We'll see by Asian though. Still.
Yep.
Yeah, bro.
It's okay. We can catch
Like,
them.
right now,
Man.
it's at the
Felt
low.
that 1 hour.
If I waited for this candle to close, I would have missed the entire move. Alright guys, 10 more likes now, I'll break it down. 10 more likes now, I'll break it down once again. GG's in the chat, guys. GG's in the chat.
GG's in the chat.
Look at US 30.
What about it?
Cause I know he said he was looking to see where he went.
Oh.
Daily same pattern.
Is it
Over here, yeah, it looks the same. If it comes down here, it should be the same. Yeah. Good looks, my brother. Re-entry? Oh hell no, man. Re-entry now, you're gonna have a bigger stop loss. That's the thing. Like you're gonna have a way bigger. Your stop's gonna have to be minimum. Your stop's gonna have to be 52 pips minimum. That's way too big for me. That's like a yeah. There's a trade at Wickfall right there. 7 more likes, guys. 7 more likes. Hit it up. Oh, gold's going up, guys. Like I said, 1770 today. 1770 on gold.
Oh yeah, that.
This is the target. I said it from down here, 1770. Last Friday, I said we're gonna make new highs this week, and now I'm saying 1770. I think on Friday, I said we're gonna make new highs on gold this week, and yes, yesterday I said we're gonna make new highs. We made new highs yesterday, and today we're actually gonna push up to that target, 1770 on gold today.
I had a ballsy entry.
On gold,
No, GJ.
bruh. Holy
Look at
shit!
Wait, go look at the chat. I had a ballsy entry.
Oh, I didn't check this guy's analysis. My bad. I gotta check it. My bad. My bad. Hold
I'd say
on.
like a 20 still.
Oh, on the live stream chat, I'll check it.
Yeah.
See, guys, patience is key. Patience is key. Oh shit, nice chart here. One fake out, yeah. Fake out up, go down. Fake out them two, yes. See, you're Robert. Remember earlier I said Robert. The second fake out usually plays out. Majority of the times. If there's two fake outs, the second fake out is always on play out. So now I'm gonna look at that move a lot more.
I was just gonna say, was you finna add that to your yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know, I might steal it off of you.
This is the playbook.
Number 3, waiting for a 15-minute close below the range. Yes. But the thing is, it didn't actually close. It just broke below it, right? Man, if I wait for it to close, I think I would have missed the move. I would feel like shit right now. Well, I wouldn't feel like shit, but I'd be like, wow, I missed the move that I anticipated. Damn, beautiful trader.
Beautiful. The T.
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna break it down here. So,
Yo, it ran down another. Damn, I didn't even look
Yeah,
at
I know.
Yeah, it ran
Sam,
down pretty deep.
I caught that still.
Damn, nice shit, look.
Alright,
That was
guys.
like 20
Yeah,
pips,
Sam had a
man.
nice entry.
I know.
I'm gonna break down the trader, alright, guys? My trade idea. So, as I mentioned, the 4-hour closed bearish. So when the 4-hour closed bearish, not only did it close bearish, but it closed bearish below these wicks. If the actual body of this 4-hour candle closed below these wicks, mean that price is breaking support and price has a higher chance of driving down, right? So that's the 4-hour. So now if you go on like your 1-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame is showing us signs that we're gonna go down, right? And I couldn't enter on this candle. This 1-hour candle actually closed below the range, right? This is your entry. This is your initial entry. But I didn't want to enter because stop loss would have been way too big for me. It would have been like 4 or 5 pips, 30 pips or something, right? But so then I said, okay, maybe I'm gonna wait for the 8:15 candle. I mean the 9:15 candle, the next 15-minute candle. So as the 15-minute candle broke the low, or as I think, where is it? As the 30-minute actually broke the low here, this 30-minute candle, as it broke the low of the previous bearish candle low, I said to myself, okay, maybe this is the 1-hour high if price wants to drive down, because we don't know what the 1-hour high is. The 1-hour high on the previous candle was up here, but we don't know what the 1-hour high is here because it hasn't closed yet. But as price starts to drop clues, you can start adding things up together. So as this candle actually broke the lows here, I'm like, okay, maybe this is the 1-hour high. Price wants to drive down and enter a sell here. And if you look left, there was no traffic here on GJ at all. And boom, that was your move. This right here was your mirror candle on the right. Come down, boom, and that was the trade. Pretty simple, right? That was my analysis, but it was all in my head. Like, I didn't say it out. I think I said some of it out loud, but when I entered, majority was just processing in my head at the time. So, but yeah, that was my breakdown. Before I hop off the stream here, I'm gonna just make a little chart analysis.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna make a nice chart here. Remember I said, guys, target a price stays below 133.777, and price never broke 133.777, and this is the target. It got smacked.
Man, Locke literally catches every single move
This guy does not miss.
that GJ makes. He does not miss a single move. I've never seen anything like it.
Bro, I try.
Yo, if you guys don't know how to do chart markup and send it to me, just how you do chart markup. I'll do a step-by-step analysis right here. Number 1, support was major in New York. 2 15-minute second fake out. Second fake out in range. One hour candle close below the range. Alright. There's momentum. And then what happened next was waited for the 9:15 a.m. candle to close, but as we broke the previous previous 1 hour low, 85 years down. For low, I entered sells with stop loss at the current candle high, anticipating that would be the 1 hour high. Not long, but you know, good detail. Okay, so that was that, and then what happened after was TP 5 TP at next zone, at next support zone. Perfect. Now what I do is I actually save this to my books. I go on copy. I copy it. Let me adjust the size. That. Like everything, I have OCD or something. Everything has to be perfect for me. Copy, and I go on save image, guys. And then when I have to go on save image, I go on file. I go on save as. After I go down to here, and I save it as my. Trades 2020 June. So now I go to APY.
Bro, I love this trading style.
Analysis.
So
Lock.
clean.
It's so simple.
June. What day is it today? June 23rd? 23rd.
Wait, is my exam today? What the hell?
Boom. There we go. Now I save it to my books. And now when this happens again, I'll look at that same trade again. And I'll compare how the exact thing played out.
Oh, my exam's tomorrow. Holy shit. The 22 is on.
Oh, my bad. My fault, guys. If you saw the 5-minute continued to close bearish into the wick lows, a solid signal in my opinion. Yes, sir. Yeah, there, guys. Leave a like on the stream, guys. Man. How many pips for a day? We had about 16 plus 10, 26 minus 9, 25. 15 pips.
Match the viewers to the likes. I mean, like match the likes to the.
My bad. 17 pips. Overall, 17 pips for a day. Pretty happy. Pretty happy. I'm up a lot for a day now. So.
In profit.
Cheap, right? Signal GPY sell plus 16 pips. Actually no, plus 23 pips for VIP. 20 pips. We did it on stream / signal. So far for the week, guys, this is our first. We took 1 loss this week. 1 loss for the month of June. I mean, 2 losses for the month of June. Actually, this is our 2nd loss of the month. The 9 pip loss earlier on a stream. Today we actually caught. This month, I mean, this week so far, we actually took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 signals. One of them didn't play out, but other than that, we're up probably 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 20, 40, 50, 80 pips for a month so far on Tuesday. So we're on pace for another 200 pip week. But yeah, guys, other than that, guys, I'm gonna hop off here, guys. We're at 49 likes, but it's okay, because I'm gonna go with my phone and I'm gonna like it myself to get to 50 likes. But are you just doing a Wix online? No, I never paid for his stuff.
Never that.
I
No,
never-
it's still for free on YouTube too. Just go on his YouTube channel.
Nah, free control FX. But
That's the guy.
there's no free promo. But yeah, I never paid for his stuff or anything. I never pay for anyone's stuff. Majority of just a lot of me just learn stuff on my own, getting stuff here and there, getting info here and there. But yeah, you know, if you're on control FX stream today, you ate. If you're on a different stream today, then
I mean, you should.
And
so-
I don't know, but other than that, guys, this week it's been going good so far. Controller FX streams have been hidden this week, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the New York stream. Don't overtrade today, don't over leverage, and peace. Have a good day, have a good trading day, and stay safe, everyone.